Hello children. Now we have learnt about the permeability nature or semi-permeability nature or impermeable nature of a plasma membrane. Okay. Now in this class we will be looking at an experiment which proves those three factors. Okay children. Right. Now we will be using a simple technique which you people already know, okay, which is the filtration technique. Now by using this filtration technique, we will understand the filtration nature of plasma membrane. Okay children. Now let us look at the setup which we need for this experiment. Now the first and foremost thing is you need two beakers, you need a funnel. As you can see in the picture, you have a beaker and you have a funnel. Okay. Then you need a filter paper which is already there here. Then you need a retort stand. Now this is the retort stand. Then you need sugar, iodine and wheat or rice flour. Okay. These are the materials, and you can also use plastic bottle for this method. Okay. Then a cotton cloth or a filter paper. So whichever is convenient. Okay. Now when you are using a plastic bottle, it is basically staining the particular solution whatever we have prepared. But for our convenience, we will use this technique. This is easier to understand. Okay children. Okay. Now what we do is, in this, the first step is we prepare rice or wheat flour solution by adding 1 teaspoonful of powder in 100 ml of water. Okay. So now what we do, we will stick to rice only. Okay. Right. Now what I have done, I have taken some rice powder in my hand or in a bag, and then I have put it in 100 ml of water and I have dissolved it. Okay children, I have dissolved it. So I kept that solution next. Then into that solution what I did, I have added iodine solution, tincture of iodine solution. Okay, right? And I poured it into the solution, Okay, right? Now my solution is ready. That rice solution with the iodine is ready. Okay. Now next, coming to the setup. Now I take the retort stand, I place the funnel on the top, I fix the funnel, and at the bottom I will put the beaker for collection of water. Now what I do is I perform the experiment. Okay. Now what I do, I take the beaker containing the rice, flour and water mixture, and then the iodine also which is present in that. Okay. And then I will start pouring into the funnel. Okay. So when I am starting to pour it into the funnel, you will observe that the paper which we have kept in the funnel will allow some materials to pass through. Okay. And it will not allow some other materials to pass through. Okay. Right. So let us see that. So what do we observe when we pour it? We observe that the funnel allows water to pass through it. It allows iodine dissolved in the flour solution to pass through it. It does not allow rice or wheat flour to pass through it. Okay children, did you understand? The filter paper did not allow the rice flour to pass through it. Okay. It allowed water as well as iodine which is dissolved in that rice flour solution to pass through it. Okay. So now we will understand what happened. Now this experiment proves that plasma membrane is impermeable. Now when I say impermeable, that means what? It did not allow rice flour to come out. Okay. So considering this filter as a plasma membrane, okay, first thing is it was impermeable to the rice flour. So it did not allow the rice flour to come out. Okay. Then it is permeable. Permeable means what? It allowed water to come out. Okay. It allowed water to come out. And then it acted as a selectively permeable. That means what? It also allowed iodine to come out. Okay. It also allowed iodine to come out. So this experiment proves that the plasma membrane is impermeable, permeable and also selectively permeable. I hope you have understood this experiment of filtration nature of plasma membrane. See you soon.